Meaning of Fort Ticonderoga.
Fort Ticonderoga.
Fort Ticonderoga.
Fort Ticonderoga.
Fort Ticonderoga. Fort Ticonderoga is a historic military fortification located in upstate New York. It was built by the French in the mid-18th century and played a significant role in several conflicts, including the French and Indian War and the American Revolutionary War. The fort changed hands multiple times during its history, and today it is open to visitors as a popular tourist attraction. Its strategic location at the intersection of Lake George and Lake Champlain made it a key site for controlling travel and trade routes during times of war.